Welcome to the ultimate seafood extravaganza. If you think you've had seafood before, you're going to want to hold on to your taste buds because we're turning that flavor dial up to 11.
Alright folks, let's get the party started. Fill a pot full of water and get it on high heat. Then grab yourself a few lemons and slice them in half. We're going to add these lemons to both our boiling water and our sauce later on. Time to tackle the onion. Quarter it up, and don't worry about the tears. You're not alone. Alright, time to have those potatoes like they owe us money. These bad boys are going to help build the most epic seafood sandwich you've ever seen. Alright, let's start boiling. But first, let's get familiar with each ingredient's cook times, because this next part's going fast. Okay, let's start by seasoning our boiling water with Old Bay and Creole to taste, 1 halved lemon, 1 quartered onion, 8 half golden potatoes, which will take about 25 to 30 minutes to boil. Drop in 6 eggs, 1 Andouille sausage, and boil both these for 10 to 12 minutes. Now it's time to bring in the big guns. Add your king crab, and then your sweet corn, and while that's boiling, let's start working on our sauce. Get a pan on medium heat, and throw in a knob of butter. While that melts down, grab some garlic and chop away. We're layering on the flavor here. Every piece is a little burst of magic that's gonna make your sauce pop. Now grab a shallot and start mincing like you mean it. We're aiming for the same size as our garlic. Tiny but mighty. Time for the herbs. Get that parsley chopped. We need it fresh and vibrant to bring a splash of color and flavor to our sauce. Next, add your garlic, your shallots, and give it a stir. We're looking to cook off the bite out of these ingredients. Next up, add your butter, melt it down, and now it's time to season. Start with Old Bay, then Creole, but be careful, this stuff is salty. Now let's squeeze in a lemon to add a kick of citrus, and give it a nice stir before we add in our herbs. Now add in your parsley, and finally, pour that gorgeous sauce into a serving dish like you're presenting a masterpiece. After all, this is what's taken our seafood boil to the next level. Last but not least, toss your shrimp in and let them boil for 2 to 3 minutes. Now, time to drain that seafood and admire your handiwork.
And that's a wrap, folks. Just look at this seafood extravaganza. You got the best of all worlds. Crab, potatoes, shrimp, sausage, eggs, corn, all mingling together in a flavor fiesta. It's everything you want in one bowl. Now I know what you're thinking. Can I dive in yet? Before you go and grab a bib for this, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't, and catch us next week for another mouth-watering recipe. Until next time, stay saucy.